scene and whatever's going on around me, brain kinda cloudy, smoked out,
Another lower body day in John's garage. Stay tuned for the play-by-play action as I give my feedback on each exercise and an overview at the end. Let's go. Yo, I'm moving forward, doing what I got to do, focusing on my technique again. That's what I've really been doing. If you watch me deadlift, again, I'm new to this, so I'm really trying to get it down packed in. I've been watching a lot of other guys, talk about this technique. So I'm focusing on my footing, my feet position, my butt to the floor, just having it at the right angle. And now today I'm really focusing on keeping my shoulders back. So that last set wasn't as good because I lost my grip. So I need to focus on my grip too. But sometimes when I'm doing it, I feel myself losing my grip, so I'll get out of the motion. So we're gonna see how we do on this next one, and we'll do maybe 2 more after that and move to the next exercise. Yo, I'm having a good session with the deadlifts. I couldn't get that 495. Normally I would start with a heavier weight, but I did something different. I was focusing on my technique, but I did feel that I can do it, but I just let it down. I didn't want to strain today, but I believe that next week I'm going to get more results, because this, the 2 times that I did this week, I was really focusing on technique. So that technique is going to pay off. And the only other problem that I have is that the weights keep moving around. So I'm going to get this figured out, and you'll see me working out with that 500 real soon. All right, let's take this 3-minute break and move into some leg extensions today. Yo, them leg extensions went pretty good. I was trying to rest a little bit in between, 15 to 20 seconds, 10 to 20 seconds in between, and I dropped down from 4 plates to 3 plates. I was feeling a lot of pressure on my lower shin, and that's just that bone on that little thin pad. So I was feeling that pressure, so I fell back and just did more reps with less rest, like only 10 seconds. So I'm gonna do one more set of that and then work on my calves, and that'll be a wrap for today. Let's get it in. Today was a great workout. I got a lot done. I focused on my technique with the deadlift, and I'm satisfied with what I'm doing. You know, I know that I got to work on my grip. That's one main thing. I'm still working on the proper footing. I'm going to try with my shoes off the next time. So I think that these shoes are kind of curving, so I'm not really making excuses. I'm analyzing how I can get better. So it's nothing wrong with talking through things to see what adjustments you need to make. That's the only way that you're gonna get better. You have to talk things out. Sometimes you'll just say it in your head, sometimes you'll say it out loud, but just say it and see it and make the modification, and then you'll get the results that you want. And that's what I'm all about. You know, I'm trying to get better at what I do. So I'm studying other people, I'm listening to what they're saying, and I'm trying the techniques that I hear and I see for myself, and then I'll make those adjustments to do the things that I need to do in John's Garage. I did pretty good with the leg extensions. I feel that adding more reps in is really gonna pay off, and changing my routine from 90 seconds in between to a minimum rest of 10 seconds is really gonna pay off even with the lower weights. So I do want to get some type of padding for right here, because that bench isn't the best as far as comfort is concerned. But anyway, other than that, I did feel those calves too. So this was just a 40-minute workout. I didn't have enough time to do much, but that's okay. I accomplished a lot with what I was focusing on. So always stay tuned for more great videos. I want you to subscribe to this channel, like this channel, click that notification icon. Also, follow me on Instagram as we level up together in John's Garage. I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy, my friend. And I am smiling because I did one take. All right, bye.